Okay, we have here is the Enco C2 200 mini lathe. As you can see, it's been a little bit banged up. A couple dents on the metal framing, the base, and small dent. Small dent here. Appears to be straight enough. However, we power it up. As you can see, the light comes on, but nobody's home. So, appears to be used somewhat. As you can see, straight enough to operate. Parts of repair used.